Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get started with Cloudy API or Cloud API, call it whatever you want. So we're going to head over anthropic.com, which is going to be the company that owns Cloudy or Cloud AI. So from here, we can go ahead and get the API key for the Cloud AI. Now, what is going to be the API key or what is the API in general? It is going to be a token that will help you or let you, let's say, integrate the platform that you're going to get the API from to another platform that you're going to use the API in. So that means that you're going to use maybe Cloud API to an automation or a workflow. You are going to add it or add it as an AI assistant or an AI agent into another platform that has automations. From these platforms that make automations, we have make.com and we have N8N. So both of these platforms are going to be well known. There is not only those two platforms, but we have tons of platforms that makes API and or not API but automations, but they need to work with, for example, Cloud AI or GPTs or Open AI only with APIs. Now let's start by having our API. So we are going to head over anthropic.com. So here we are going to click on API and then we are going to click on console login. Once you have clicked on console login, you need to create an account within the platform. After that, you're going to see this specific tab or the specific page. Now, we're going basically here to head over the left side of the screen, click on API key. If you do not find the key logo in here, you're going to find it in here. Click on API key, and then we're going to see the APIs. In our case, I'm going to create a new API. I have already an API, but I'm going to click on create new. So we are going to name it as API for, let's say here, we are going to start by adding it to make.com, or we have already make, but we are going to have here assistant or AI assistant key. So we are going to have it just like that. I'm going to create the key and we are going to copy the key. Now I am going to head over one of the automations platform, select one of them. For example, let's start with make. We're going to head over make.com and then we're going to head over the connections. So I'm going to connect my a Cloudy AI or my Anthropic AI into here. So we are going to head over the scenarios. This is going to be something new. I'm going to head over the scenarios and then we're going to type in Cloudy or Cloudy like that, Cloud AI. So we're going to have the, as you can see, Anthropic Cloud. So we have only two options on make.com. As you can see, we can create a prompt or make an API call for cloud. So you can go ahead and click on that and click on create the specific connection. So we are going to have maybe the API key added in here. We are going to save it, wait for it. So your credit balance is too low. So that means that you're going to need to head over API or the Anthropic and buy a some credits. Basically, I think that this is the credit where you are going to buy it. Begin building with Cloudy for only $5. So you're going to buy credits and then you're going to put them into here. So they are going to detect that specific credit or the balance of yours. And then you can go ahead and start creating some automation. That was one method for integrating Cloud AI or Cloud AI on make.com. Now let's leave cloud or make.com and head over N8N. So I personally favorize or use N8N as creating workflows or automation because of the simplicity that is created or having in here. So for example, I'm going to head over API key and create another API key, but here we're going to use it N8, N8N key. So we are going to have it just like that. We're going to copy that, copy the code or the API key, and we are going to head over an 8N. So we are going to head over the overview. And after you have signed in into an account, this is something that I'm not going to mention, but it is going to be standard. You're going to click on credentials, and we are going to create, instead of workflows, credential. So we are going to search for the app. We are going to type in a cloud or cloudy, or let's see here, cloud, where is it? So we are going to have the Cloudy AI created in here. So when you do not find the credential in here, it is okay. You can go ahead and head over the workflows of yours. We're going to create a new workflow and you're going to see the step. So we are going to create our first thing, which is going to be having a message. We're going to create an AI assistant. So I'm going to test the chat. I'm going to send a message. So the task has been successfully made. Now we're going to have this the chat and we're going to have the AI agent. So we're going to have an agent. So basically we are going to connect it to the, or let the source of prompt as the connected chat trigger node. And we're going to test the step. We're going to have it just like that. Now, what I'm going to do is to add a chat model. Click on chat model and we're going to type in here cloud. So the cloud has been replaced with Anthropic chat model. I don't know here. I didn't catch the update. I think that 3 days or 4 days from here ago, I have been reading Cloudy AI, but it doesn't matter a lot. So we are going to create a new credentials. So this explains well why it didn't appear when I have typed cloudy or cloud. So we're going to put the API key, click on save, and it has been here. So couldn't connect. I'm going to retry. Please go ahead and have the key. I'm going to copy the key again. I'm going to paste it right there. I think that it didn't work with that key. If it is going to be the case, we are going to have here another key created. So it is okay. So if not, if it didn't work, you can go ahead and have something added. So with these settings, more details by request. Doesn't matter a lot in here. So you're going to have Cloudy or Cloud AI. Maybe you're going to have Haiku or whatever. So I'm going to have this, as you can see, Anthropic account. It has been connected, but it has some errors in here. I can go ahead and have the parameters and set up the things in here. You can add some options, and also you can select a model from these, as you can see, and set up whatever you want. So as you can see, we have connected the chat bot, or as you can see, or chat model in here. You can add some memory, for example, or you can add some tools into that specific node. Now, with that, it is going to test out the agent. You can go ahead and open up the chat, for example, and get yours. I think that I know why it is not connecting, because the credit balance is too low, as you can see, as we have got the same method or the same message from make.com. So please go and cleanse and get your credit right there. So it has been connected, but it didn't read the order. Why? Because it has, as you can see, parameters. So this is the problem. Your credit balance is too low to access to the Anthropic API. Go plans and get it. So this is going to be crucial in here. Aside from that, that was pretty much it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.